just in. Over 99% of all Bitcoin addresses are now in profit. So in today's video, I will show you an easy free way to earn some Bitcoin. As you can see, Bitcoin is over $123,000, and in my opinion, it will continue to go higher and higher. I believe the price of Bitcoin will go over 200,000, over $500,000, maybe even over $1 million per Bitcoin. Obviously, it will not happen overnight, but I believe Bitcoin will definitely reach those numbers in the upcoming years, and that is why I want to accumulate as much Bitcoin as possible. I'm about to show you exactly how I made over $1,500 worth of Bitcoin in the last 2 months alone, and how you can too. So the way I was able to earn this Bitcoin is by using the Gemini Credit Card. With this credit card, you are able to earn up to 4% back in crypto on every single purchase. Here in a little bit, I will show you my account to show you how much I earn and how much I'm earning on every purchase. So with this credit card, you'll be earning a whopping 4% on gas, EV charging, and transit, such as Uber and Lyft. You'll be earning 3% on dining. So if you love eating out, if you love fast food, you'll be earning a solid 3% on all of those purchases. Then 2% on groceries, and then 1% on everything else. So when we scroll down, you will see that this card comes with a bonus as well. You'll be able to get $200 worth of crypto if you spend $3,000 in the first 90 days. But if you use the link in the description box below, you'll get an extra $50. That is a total bonus of $250 worth of crypto. What I recommend in order to reach the $3,000 limit, do not simply just go out there and spend the money on things you do not need. Use it to pay bills. For example, I have 3 vehicles. When I pay the car insurance, I pay for a 6-month policy, and that takes out a huge chunk out of the $3,000. That is a bill I have to pay, so that is why I use the card in order to get to that goal faster. Also, the credit card is by MasterCard, and there's no annual fees. There are no foreign transaction fees, so you can literally get this card absolutely free. Use it whenever you want and stack up on some crypto. Some credit cards will give you miles, other credit cards will give you points, but this credit card gives you back crypto, which in my opinion is better than both of these. And this is one reason why I love earning crypto instead of miles or points. Bitcoin rewards earned on the Gemini credit card and held for at least 1 year have appreciated an average of 277%. And here in a second, I'm gonna show you exactly how much my crypto has appreciated over the last month or so. But one of my favorite things about this credit card is it allows you to earn 50 plus different cryptocurrencies. So if you're not a fan of Bitcoin, you can earn Ethereum instead. You can earn XRP, you can earn Solana, Chainlink, whatever you believe will perform the best. So with this credit card, you can earn Bitcoin for 1 month, Chainlink the next month, XRP the month after. You can literally build a decent crypto portfolio by simply using this card like you normally would. And did I mention they come in 5 different colors? You can get the black, the rose gold, the silver, or you can get the 2 custom editions, the Bitcoin one and the XRP blue. It doesn't matter what color you choose, they still get the same exact rewards. These just look a little bit cooler. So if you are interested in getting this credit card, the link will be in the description box below. And now I'm about to show you exactly how much I earned with this card. And now I'm showing you my recent transactions so you can see what percentage I'm earning back. As you can see, every single store, every single location earns a different percentage point. For example, Circle K gas station earned 4%, Menards earned 1%, and so on. HVAC Direct 1%, Dairy Queen fast food place 3%, and so on and so on. Like I said earlier, with this credit card, you are earning free crypto on every single purchase. And now we are back inside of my account, and when we scroll down, you will see the total rewards. So as you can see, I have earned $1,456.58 worth of Bitcoin, and right underneath you will see my all-time performance. So the crypto right here, I have literally cashed it out into my cold storage wallet, and for my all-time performance, I have earned $1,580.17. So by simply earning this Bitcoin and letting it sit, I have earned an extra 8.48%. That comes out to an extra $123.59 worth of value on my Bitcoin position, which is not bad whatsoever. Obviously, guys, this credit card is not going to make you a Bitcoin millionaire overnight. It will definitely take some time, but in my opinion, it is a great way to stack up on some crypto. The way I see it is I'm earning free Bitcoin on things that I will purchase anyway, and over time these rewards are going to grow in value. The higher the price of Bitcoin goes, the more money I will make. The more Bitcoin that I can accumulate now, the more it will be worth in the future. So $1 here earned, $5 there, $10 there will definitely stack up over time. So that is all I have for this quick little video. If you have any questions whatsoever, drop those in the comment section below. Make sure to press the like button and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Peace out.